Welcome to our newest listing, 39 Whittier Street, Newton, New Hampshire. A 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath colonial that has been meticulously cared for. Features hardwood floors throughout, a beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, a bonus room with a gas fireplace, an upstairs master suite with its very own office space. 39 Whittier Street, Newton, New Hampshire. And then head down to the basement where we have a Joanna Gaines inspired finished basement.
On the outside, you're going to find meticulously maintained yard, gardens, fenced-in yard, RV pad, all on 12 acres.
Make your private showing today. This one will not last.